Hi, I'm Kip Poacher, and I'm absolutely thrilled to show you this incredible property located in the heart of Point Loma, one of San Diego's premier coastal communities, located at 2852 Nipoma. Come on in, let's take you around. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this exceptional property. I hope you enjoyed touring it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. If you have any questions or like to reach out, connect with us on social media or give us a call. Thank you so much and make it a wonderful day.